What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Generation Works YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be installing a fuse panel, or a switch panel and fuse box on this Honda Pioneer here. I don't know if you guys have watched my dual battery install, but as you can see, I have the dual battery kit and an extra battery installed on this. If you want to see how that's done, go check out my other video. But we're going to be installing the fuse box and a switch panel in the cab. I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put the fuse box, but that'll be in the video. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. So right here is the dual voltage gauge, so I can tell the voltage on both batteries. This is the already installed that extra 4 gauge wire to run my wires to my fuse box, a Stinger solenoid so that the fuse box isn't always on. So here's the switch panel, and I'm gonna replace that right there with the dual voltage so I can tell both batteries. But it's got tons of switches for whatever you want to use or whatever you want to hook them up to. Extra connectors for the battery, and then of course the fuse block. So yeah, that's everything. I really recommend this fuse block. It's highly recommended on Amazon. Gets really good reviews. Other than that, I'm going to start installing this stuff. I might do a couple of time lapses, but for sake of time for me, I'm going to show you everything at the end and how I did everything, and go kind of in depth with how I did it, so that this doesn't take me 10 extra hours to video every little thing I do. So enjoy the time lapses, and I'll get back with you when I'm done.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's up, guys, and welcome back from that. It's a couple days later, and I've wrapped up everything on the Honda Pioneer. I've even added a light bar, as you can see. I might add those clips, but I was planning on doing a separate video, but then things just kind of got crazy, so I just had to kind of just do everything at once, so that way I can just get it done. But here, I'll show you here some of my setup. So I put the fuse box on top of where the air box cover, along with the factory relay cover. I just velcroed it right to the top there. And then my power wire from the solenoid just ran straight there. I like this setup because it makes everything short and easy to work with, nice and neat. It's about as neat as I could get it. I mean, there's still wires everywhere, but it's still nice and wrapped up and neat. Other than that, here's my dual battery. I did a video on that as well if you want to go check that out. But that's the relay back there for the light bar wiring harness. But I'll come in here and show you the switch panel is pretty sweet. So all the switches light up, and then it lights up again when you click it on, and of course there's your lights. But it shows you, let's see if that'll focus, if it will or not, but it shows you, there you go, it shows you both voltages. Top's the main, bottom's the auxiliary battery. But it's awesome. It's got little USBs, 2 USB ports, and a cigarette lighter. Never have enough of that stuff. So I'll start it up for you guys here. As you can see, yeah, you can see, just wait a second, yep, there you go. It means that we're good to go on the voltage there. Other than that, I'll do an update on the light bar, at the 6-month mark if we had it. I may do a separate video on that, just reviewing it, kind of, sort of. But I'll let you guys know how that holds up. It was like $80 on Amazon. It's a 52-inch rigid horse light bar. It's pretty sweet. I like the slim look. It's just a single row, but it looks clean. We mounted it above the hood. Looks pretty nice. So other than that, I thank you guys for watching. Feel free. I mean, I'm not by no means am I like a professional or anything. I'm only 18. I just kind of was learning as I went with this. But I learned a lot by doing it, and I encourage any of you to go out and do it on your own, just like I did. But I thank you guys for watching Generation Works, and I'll see you next time. Peace.